Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. We're going to have the next stage of the Eagle Moss fan home build the Delorean. This is issue 120 and it's going to be a very short issue. We have a grand total of 6 pipes. We don't need any screws, we're just placing these in. So it's going to be very quick. We're just putting these on each side of the vent, I think. But without further ado, let's get building. Okay, so issue 120. As I said, we've only got these 6 pipes to go on. I've laid them out in the order that they need to go on here. We've got 3 slots on the side there and also on the side here. Hopefully you can just about see those. They got like a little key shape pattern, as do the pipes. So they've got a key shape on one side and they've got a single point on the other. Now, see, we're doing the exact same thing on both sides. And we're going to start off with the smaller pipe, which is labelled F, and that's going just in here. And then we're doing the same on the opposite side, which is C, and that's going in that first hole just there. And just takes a bit of a wiggle to push them in. And then we have this pipe, which is labelled A, and that's just going next to the one we've just put in. Just in there. It does take a bit of a wiggle and a push to go in, but luckily I don't think they're ever going to fall out. Next up we have D, and that one goes in there. So we've got the 2 each side like that, and then we're finishing off on top of these with B on this side, and we have E on this side. So that's looking just like that. And that is all there is to do in that stage. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember giving a big thumbs up. So, not a great deal to do on that issue. But stay tuned. There's even less to do in the next issue. So that's exciting, isn't it? They really did drag this last little bit out. So we'll see how that progresses. If you want to see more of how Delorean does progress or anything else that goes on in the workshop, please remember to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell. And hopefully I'll see you around. Cheers.